In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage duplicates in your MailChimp contacts. Keeping a clean and organized contact list is crucial for effective email marketing, and this process will help ensure that your lists remain accurate and efficient. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome or your preferred browser and log in to your MailChimp account. Once you're logged into your dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Audience section. Click on Audience and then select the list you want to manage. This is where all your contacts are stored, and it's the perfect place to begin our cleanup process. After selecting your list, you'll notice an option called Manage Contacts. Hover over this menu and click on View Contacts. This will bring up all the contacts associated with your chosen list, and here is where we can begin to tackle any duplicates you might have. Now that you have a complete view of your contacts, there's a handy search bar at the top and some filter options to the side. These tools will allow you to efficiently find any duplicate entries based on email address. If your contact list is extensive, these features can be a real time saver. Once you've identified the duplicates, you have a couple of choices. Select the duplicate entries you want to address, and then you can either merge them if they contain valuable information, or simply delete the entries that aren't needed. Merging duplicates can be especially useful if each entry has slightly different information that you want to consolidate into one complete contact profile. If you have a particularly large audience, or if you're finding it a bit cumbersome to manage within MailChimp, there's an alternate method. Consider exporting your contacts from MailChimp into an Excel spreadsheet. Excel has powerful tools for finding duplicates that can make this process even easier. Once the duplicates are identified and merged or removed in Excel, you can then import the cleaned up list back into MailChimp. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to maintain a clean and organized contact list, ensuring your email marketing campaigns are reaching the right people effectively. Regularly cleaning up your contacts helps reduce email bounce rates, improve engagement, and ultimately enhance the overall performance of your campaigns. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more practical marketing tips and in-depth tutorials that will keep your business running smoothly. Happy marketing, and I'll see you in the next